And for this video, we are gonna be making
Fortnite juice.
So yeah, we're gonna be making Fortnite juice. So before anything else, this is an activity that I have been doing periodically with the kids. Most of the activities I get from Lenovo Edvision's Facebook page. And because of the pandemic, we gotta hit boredom properly. Like, pag bored ka, anong gagawin mo? Hindi pwedeng patay games lang. Siyempre, mayroong konting creativity involved and may konting life experiences involved. So, I went to the page nga, as I said a couple of months ago. You guys saw a couple of my posts we did. You guys remember the DIY lava lamp?
Yes.
Did you guys enjoy that?
Yes.
What about the catapult? You guys remember that?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, one of the popsicles.
Oh, yeah.
You guys like that? Which one do you like that?
Go. I'm thinking the caterpillar.
Catapult? You gotta make a toy with that. Yeah.
Both of them because I really like the both of them. Wait, also you can subscribe, like, and leave the comment down below.
For this activity, we are going to be creating an edible. This time, edible naman. Pwedeng mainom. Fortnite Slurp drink as
Or
it
Fortnite juice.
Yeah. This is another one of those 10 videos. Lenovo Edvision has been giving us for free dun sa page nila. So you guys should check that page. Probably put it somewhere there.
Yeah.
So it's one of the things that they're giving away aside from the free webinars that they're currently having with Microsoft. So, and Lenovo Edvision is this collaboration with Microsoft and Lenovo wherein they help us adjust to the new normal of online schooling with giving us webinars, by giving schools pretty organized school system with the Microsoft Teams or in collaboration with Google Classes and so on and so forth. Plus, they have got great student ambassador programs.
Yeah.
So, anyway, let's get started with the Fortnite Slurp.
Yes. Okay.
like there's green at the bottom and then there's blue at the top?
It looks like the earth.
You know why?
Yeah.
Because sugar water is denser, or it's more heavy than the normal water, which has the blue color.
Oh, it looks like sky and the blue and the land is green, right?
Oh. Yep.
It looks like an earth one, like the blue water, like this one, it's like in the side. Blue is water, this one, and the island is right there.
Yeah, I know, right? Looks so cool. Anyway, I guess that's it for our activity for today. So, which one did you like better? Did you like this one, or did you like our previous activities before?
Both.
Both pa rin talaga.
Yeah, I start with this one.
You like this one better?
Yeah, it's kind of better.
Okay. So,
Oh, I like this one. It's just when you move the straw, it's like, whoop. Okay.
see, that's the sugar there. You see that? That's the sugar when you move it. So, activities like this could be found in the Lenovo Edvision page. That's where I get the inspiration to do these things for my kids so that kayang-kaya nilang ma-beat ang boredom while in this pandemic that we're currently facing. And of course, with online schooling, minsan nasusobrahan sa books. So, it's really important for kids to have short breaks and activities like this. Very creative, pero at the same time, also explains science. It's science. That's science right there.
Also like this one, like the last time we just did the science thing, when you
The lava lamp?
Yes, the lava lamp.
You like that one?
Yes,
I like the
that's the
lava
same thing.
lamp.
You said this is science. Two of them are science.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So you could find activities like this in the Lenovo Edvision Facebook page, or you could also find webinars, kagaya ng meron dun yung mga hacks on Microsoft programs, and there's also gonna be a live webinar about using Minecraft to do a gamified learning experience, and yeah. So, ayun lang, chika-chika lang. And I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching NTV Nick's Tries Vlogging, and please do give a big old like.
And the 1,000 subscribers.
Please give a like to Lenovo Edvision. Check out their Facebook page for more webinars, more activities like this. You could also do yung mga DIY lava lamps nila. They have this propeller thing there too na I'm sure mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Please do give a like on this video and subscribe to our channel, syempre.
Yes, and then please give us 1,000 subscribers.
Because we almost reached to 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, wala ko 500 pa lang. Pero yeah, sana maging 1,000
Yes,
na.
500.
And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching NTV, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye!